Hey guys, so today we will be discussing about the concepts of data engineering, and the first being the components of information systems. It is important to note that there are two principal components of two principal types of information systems. The first being the online transactional processing system, the OLTP system, and the another being the online analytical processing systems or the OLAP systems. So before diving into these topics, let's briefly discuss what a transaction really is. So a transaction is a set of instructions or operations that are executed on the database all completely or none at all. So a transaction information system is the one that serves or automate many operations of insert, delete or update that are performed by many people every day all the time. If they were not automated, the process would be very slow. For example, a bank ATM or you can go on shopping and the processes you do while shopping. Now talking about the OLTP systems. As OLTP systems modifies data, there are four properties that needs to be taken into account in order to avoid any problems in data. The ACID properties. Furthermore, OLTP system consists a lot of transactions and each transaction must obey ACID properties. And ACID stands for atomicity, consistency, isolation and durability. Before moving forward, let's discuss about these concepts a bit. Firstly, atomicity. In atomicity, every insert, update and delete data process must be correctly executed. If everything was fine, then all changes are reflected to the database commit. In case of any failure, none of the processes are reflected to the database, also called DB rollback. Secondly, consistency is a transaction that shall start from a consistent state of the database and it must create and new and valid states of data. Furthermore, for isolation, a transaction in process or running and not yet committed must remain isolated from any other transaction. In other words, a running transaction must not read any other running transaction data. And lastly, talking about the durability, where committed data must be persistent. The committed data are stored on a physical disk. Thereby, even in the event of failure and the system restarts, the data will be available and consistent. So this is all about the OLTP system. And now moving forward towards the OLAP systems. OLAP systems are used by middle and senior management. The kind of data operations are complex queries of large volumes of historical information. If you notice, you are in contact with information systems all the time. They can help to automate data and are called transaction systems, or they can analyze data and are called analytical systems. So guys, this is all about the components of information system, the very first concept of data engineering through which the bifurcation in data engineering happens. So in the next video we will be probably talking about the databases concepts. So just tune in, like, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon. See you then in the next video.